Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create GoHighLevel contact from LinkedIn lead ads lead. So suppose we are running an ad campaign on our LinkedIn account and we are generating a lot of leads through that. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from LinkedIn lead ads, then automatically I'm going to capture the detail of that lead and I'm going to use this to automatically create a new contact in GoHighLevel. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between LinkedIn lead ads and GoHighLevel. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. With Pabbly Connect, I need to use the concept of trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use LinkedIn lead ads. In action application, I'm going to use GoHighLevel. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create GoHighLevel contact from LinkedIn lead ads lead. So suppose we are running an ad campaign on LinkedIn and we are generating leads through that. Now as we are getting so many leads, then we also want to manage these leads and convert these leads. So here our objective is to automatically create new contact in GoHighLevel by using all the details of the new lead that we have received from LinkedIn lead ads. Now that as we are going to create new contacts in GoHighLevel, then automatically we are going to manage all the leads that we are going to receive from LinkedIn lead ads. So here we also want to do this automatically so that it will save our time and energy, and for that we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So with the help of Pabbly Connect, we are going to build this connection between LinkedIn lead ads and GoHighLevel. And we are going to build this connection without any coding and programming skills. So let's get started. And for using Pabbly Connect, we need to search for pabbly.com/connect in our browser, and it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we just have to click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time and you will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here what we need to do is we need to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create GoHighLevel contact from LinkedIn lead ads lead. And now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and in this tab I will find all the folders that I have created in my Pabbly Connect account. And here I have this particular folder of GoHighLevel. So I'm going to select this, and now I need to click on create. And this will take us to this window. So this is the window of our workflow, and here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So here what we need to do is we need to first set up our trigger, and here my trigger application is going to be LinkedIn lead ads. So I'm going to select LinkedIn lead generation forms. And now I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and new lead generation form response will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. Now what we need to do is we need to connect LinkedIn lead gen forms with Pabbly Connect in our workflow. For that, I need to click here on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I will connect with LinkedIn lead gen forms. And here my connection is successful as I have already logged into my LinkedIn lead ads account. So here this is my campaign manager. Now I will go back to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have two tabs, account and lead gen form. Here what we need to do is we need to first select our account. So I want to use this account of Naveen Kolhe. So I'm going to select this, and you can select any account that you want to use. Now what I need to do is I need to select my lead form that I want to use for generating new leads. So I'm going to open this tab. So in this tab, I will have all the lead forms that I have in my LinkedIn lead ad account. So in this, I'm going to use this particular sample lead gen form. So I have selected this lead form for generating new leads and for getting all the lead details in Pabbly Connect. Now before clicking on Save and Send as Cookies button, what I need to do is I need to create a sample submission, and I need to fill my form to generate a new lead. So for that, I have to take you back to my LinkedIn lead ad account. And here this is my campaign manager. And in this, I'm running these 2 campaigns, but the status of my campaigns are draft. So these are not live. So if you have any campaign live, then you need to select the form of that particular campaign. So here, this is not a live campaign. So I'm just going to show you how you can connect your lead form with Pabbly Connect and how you can generate new leads and how you can get all the detail of your lead automatically to Pabbly Connect. So here, I'm going to use this particular campaign. So I'm going to open this. And in this lead campaign, what I need to do is I need to click on apply now. And here, this is my form. So in this form, these details like first name, last name and the company name is already filled, as this is a drafted campaign. That's why these details are already filled. I just need to give an email address and the phone number. So I'm going to give a dummy email address. So my email will be damouser@pabblytudes.com. Now I'm going to give a phone number. So this is a random phone number. So I have filled all these details in my lead form. So here the first name of my lead will be Pabbly, last name will be Subscription Billing Management Service, and this is going to be my company name, that is Magnet Brains. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on submit, and I have successfully submitted my form. So as I have successfully submitted that form, that means that I have created a new lead. So for this, let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect, and now I need to click on save and send test request button to get the data of the latest lead that has been generated by using my lead form. So I'm going to click here, and here we can see I have received this response. So this is the name of my form, and also in this response I have the email address, that is damouser@pabblytudes.com. I have this random phone number, and also in this I have the first name, that is Pabbly. I have the last name, that is Subscription Billing Management Service, and this is my company name, that is Magnet Brains. So here we can see that automatically I have received this response of my lead that I have just generated by filling out my form through my campaign in LinkedIn lead ads. So here we can see I have received this response, and if you don't receive this response instantly, then you don't have to worry, because this is a polling based response, and within the 10 minutes LinkedIn lead generation form is going to send all the detail of the lead to Pabbly Connect. So this 10 minutes are the polling time of LinkedIn lead generation forms. And what is going to happen is that as we are going to generate new lead by filling out lead generation forms, then automatically within the 10 minutes, LinkedIn is going to collect all those details of the leads and it is going to send that automatically to Pabbly Connect. So as this is a polling time, then automatically within this time, you're going to receive your response. So here I have received all these details of my lead. Now what I need to do is I need to use all these details to automatically create a new contact in my GoHighLevel so that I can manage my lead and I can convert my leads. So for that, I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and now I need to connect GoHighLevel with Pabbly Connect. And for connecting GoHighLevel, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Lead Connector V2. So I'm going to search for that. So by using Lead Connector V2, I'm going to connect Pabbly Connect with GoHighLevel. So I'm going to select this, and now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and create contact will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and now I'm going to connect Lead Connector V2 with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I will connect with Lead Connector V2. Now here I need to select my account that I want to use for my GoHighLevel. So I'm going to use this Pabbly Connect account. So I'm going to select this, and here my connection is successful. Now here I have all these tabs. So what I can do is I can fill all the detail of my lead that I have received from my LinkedIn lead generation form, and by using all those details I can fill these tabs so that I can have all the detail of my new contact that I want to create in GoHighLevel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the response that I'm going to receive from my LinkedIn lead ad form, and automatically I'm going to fill these tabs with those details. So for that, what I need to do is I need to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I will open this response of LinkedIn lead generation forms. And first I need to map the first name. So here this is the first name of my lead, that is Pabbly. So I'm going to map this. Similarly, I'm going to map the last name. So I have to click here. I will open the response of LinkedIn lead generation forms. And here this is my last name. So I'm going to map this. Now what I need to do is I need to give a full name. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response. I'm going to first map the first name. I will give a space and I'm going to map the last name. Now I'm going to map the email address. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of LinkedIn lead generation form. And here this is my email address, that is damouser@pabblytudes.com. Now I'm going to map the phone number. So here this is the phone number. Now here I have filled all the details that I have received from my LinkedIn lead generation form response, and I have mapped these details and I have made these details dynamic. Now what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive new leads from my LinkedIn lead ad account, then automatically I'm going to receive the new response of my form submission. So as I'm going to receive the new responses, then automatically all these details that I have mapped here are going to get replaced with the new details in the real time. So for creating the new contact, I'm always going to use the new details of the new lead that I'm going to generate by using LinkedIn lead ads. Now what I need to do is I need to scroll down and I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have created a new contact in my GoHighLevel account. So here I have received this contact ID. So this means by this contact ID, I have created a new contact. Now to check this, let me take you to GoHighLevel. Now I will go to contacts. And here in contacts, we can see I have created this new contact, which is named as Pabbly Subscription Billing Management Service. So Pabbly is the first name and this Subscription Billing Management Service is the last name. Here I have this random phone number and the email is damouser@pabblytudes.com. So here we can see that I have filled these details in my LinkedIn lead generation form, and automatically by using those details, I have created a new contact in my GoHighLevel account. So here, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from my LinkedIn lead ad account, then automatically by using the detail of my lead, I'm going to create a new contact in my GoHighLevel account. So my connection between LinkedIn lead ads and GoHighLevel is working successfully. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, then automatically I'm going to create a new contact in GoHighLevel. And now I can automatically manage all the leads that I'm going to receive from my LinkedIn lead ad account. So here I have successfully created this automation. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. So here with Pabbly Connect, I have successfully created this automation between LinkedIn lead ads and GoHighLevel to automatically create GoHighLevel contact from LinkedIn lead ads lead. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was LinkedIn lead generation forms, and my trigger event was new lead generation form response. Then I have set up my action step, and here in my action application, I have used lead connector v2 and my action event was create contact. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.